Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 10th class biology, important questions in sense organs, previous year question papers. So, what are the functions of the tears? What is conjunctivitis? What are the main three layers of eyeball? So, mainly three parts: sclera, choroid, retina. Which eye part is donated to the patient? Cornea. What is the meaning of the pupa? And which eye part have rods, cones? What are the two chambers of the eye? What is lacrimal gland? Difference between myopia, hyperopia, and difference between rods and cones. Difference between yellow spot and blind spot. What is the optical illusion? Give example. Next, what is the shape of the lens used in the near vision, distant vision? What is color blindness? People can't identify which colors. So, in this chapter, these are all very important questions. Before giving the answers, I will clarify the diagram. This is the human eye diagram. So, mainly three layers in the eyeball. First, outer side is sclera, middle part is choroid, inner part is retina. So, this is the optic nerve. Next, in this is the lens. This is lens. Here, this is the ciliary muscles. This is ciliary muscles. Next one, there is two types part. In the front part, aqueous humor, and this is vitreous body. So, middle of the lens there is pupil. So, middle of the lens there is a pupil. And in the sclera, outer layer is cornea. This is cornea. In the middle part, this is choroid. So, choroid front part is iris. So, this is the main parts of the eye. So, this is blind spot. Here in the retina, this is the yellow spot, also called fovea. So, also called a fovea. Here it is the inner part. It is retina. So, retina absorbs light energy and send impulses to brain via optic nerve. So, back of the eye receives the image. You see the sense to the brain. Optic nerve. So, optic nerve sends electrical impulses from retina to central nervous system. Outer layer is sclera. So, it is the white coating. We see the part. So, protects the eye, sclera. Next, pupil means center of the lens. So, the hole in the eye. So, the light enters in the pupil. Next, iris. So, this is the iris. So, iris is present front of the choroid. This is also middle layer, but in the front side portion of the choroid is iris. Cornea is outer layer front side part cornea. So, this is overall diagram parts. So, we will check the questions. So, we will learn the important parts of the eye and what are the functions of the eye. First one, there are three main parts: outer, middle, inner. In the outer layer, we had already learned outer layer is called sclera. In the sclera, which part present? We know that cornea. Cornea is white visible part. Cornea is a white visible part and it is donated to the patient. So this is very important. In the middle, the part we know that choroid. So what is the function of the choroid? It prevents light rays from reflecting. So choroid in front, there is a ciliary muscles. So what is the function of ciliary muscles? The ciliary muscles are regulates shape of lens. The ciliary muscles are regulates the shape of the lens. And in front expansion of the choroid. This is a in front part. Next one, iris. This is also part of a choroid. What is the function of the iris? It regulates the size of the pupil. Last part, inner part. Inner part is retina. So retina have rods and cones. Retina have rods and cones. So rods are working in a dim light. So don't respond to the colors. So rods are don't respond to the colors. Why? Because it is working in the dim light, in the dark place. Cones are working in the bright light. It means it responds to color vision. So this is very important functions and parts and their functions. First one, blind spot. Blind spot. So blind spot have no sensory cells. Yellow spot. Yellow spot means it is the color of the eye. Next, ciliary muscles. So it regulates the shape of the lens. So lens shape regulates ciliary muscles. Iris. So iris regulates the size of pupil. Next, rods. Rods have the pigment is called rhodopsin. And cones have the pigment is called iodopsin. Next, myopia, hyperopia. These two are eye defects. So myopia. Myopia means it is a short-sightedness or nearsightedness. Myopia. Hyperopia means long-sightedness. Next, retina. So we know that retina have rods and cones are located in this area. Donated eye part. Which eye part is donated? We had already learned cornea. Cornea present in outer layer sclera. Next one, choroid. Choroid is middle layer of eyeball. So choroid is, it prevents light rays from reflection. So this is the main eyeball functions. So we will learn another important question. Functions of the following. Eyelids. So eyelids protects outer surface of the eye. Eyelashes. It prevents falling of large particles into the eye. Tears. Of the tears, you will write at least 2 points. It has lacrimal gland and washing dust particles kills the germs and it acts like a lubricant and communicate emotions. So this is main functions of the tears. Iris. What is the function of iris? We know that it regulates the shape of the pupil. Ciliary muscles regulates the size of lens. Next, eyebrows. It is a protective. Prevent raindrops getting into the eye. Lacrimal gland secrete enzyme. What is the enzyme? Name of lacrimal gland secretion? It is lysozyme. What is the function of lysozyme? It kills germs. Yellow spot. Yellow spot means it is the region of the bright vision and blind spot no vision. Cornea is cornea. Cornea is just like a camera's lens. So what are the defects of eye, common defects of eye? So spot have more sensory cells and bright vision. Blind spot have no vision, means no sensory cells. So here this is the common eye defects and causes and the corrections. First one, myopia. So what is the cause of myopia? This is very important question. Myopia diagrams. Myopia. So cause is lens is too curved, lengthening of eyeball from front to back. So how to correct this? Use concave lens. Hyperopia means shortening of eyeball, lens too short. So use convex lens. Astigmatism. So uneven curvature of cornea. So use cylindrical lenses. Next, presbyopia. This is occurs in the old days. So loss of flexibility of lens. So correction is also use convex lens. Next, cataract. So lens turning opaque. So use convex lens or surgery or implantation of plastic lens. So these three are a correction of the cataract. Next one, color blindness. So this is the genetic disorder, so no control. So next one, squint. So formation of cross eye. So this correction is surgery and a suitable exercise. So this is all eye defects and the causes and corrections. So this is very important topic, and in the next class I will share myopia, hyperopia. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.